Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making these easy, no spread sugar cookies. These cookies are crispy on the edges while being soft and chewy in the centers, and they're made with the simplest ingredients. So let's get started. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to sift together the dry ingredients, which include all-purpose flour, corn flour, which is the key ingredient that helps our cookies to hold their shape, and salt. Give this a mix and set it aside. Now on to the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, we're going to cream together the butter and sugar. Make sure your butter is at room temperature and is really soft like this. This will make it so much easier to beat together with the sugar. Okay, I got that part taken care of. We're going to keep beating this until it's nice and fluffy and pale. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. It should look something like this. Now we're going to add in the egg. Give this a mix, and next goes in the vanilla extract. You could also add different types of extracts like almond, lemon, cinnamon, whatever you like. We're going to give this one last mix, and it's time to fold in the dry ingredients. I'm adding the dry mixture that we made earlier into this butter mixture, and we're going to fold it together until it's nice and combined and we don't see any flour left. The dough is now ready. As you can see, it's really not sticky. I could literally pick it up with my hand and it doesn't stick to my hands. We could bake this as is, but chilling is the key to get no spread cookies. So we're going to add this onto a large piece of plastic wrap and fold it in, like so. Press it down and roll it using a rolling pin to as big as you can. Don't worry, because we can roll this out more after it's chilled, but we're just going to roll it as much as we can for now. Now this goes into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. You can also refrigerate this for up to 2 days. Now we're going to place the dough onto a nicely floured surface and add some flour on top as well. You have to be generous here with the flour or the dough might stick. Now we're going to roll this out to about a 1/4 inch thickness, and this thickness is the best to get nice soft cookies. Cut out any shapes you like using your favorite cookie cutters. I made this Father's Day cookie set, and if you want to see how I decorated it, I will leave a link in the description box below. Once you've cut out your shapes, place them carefully onto a lined baking sheet and then re-roll the dough and continue the same process until all your dough is finished. Here I'm using just normal random cookie cutters that I have to finish up the dough. Now we're going to bake these for about 12 minutes at 375 degrees Celsius. They do not get brown, but if you'd like brown cookies, you can leave them for additional 3 minutes. And that's it. Let them cool completely and they're ready to enjoy. If you like this video, remember to give it a like and subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy, delicious recipes just like this one. And leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. Check out how I decorated the cookies in this last clip.